Today, there are more than 260 A220 aircraft flying on over 1,100 routes, and combined, they have carried more than 90 million passengers. Isn't it amazing to think that 15 years ago, this aircraft only existed on paper? Born from a clean sheet design, this small single-aisle aircraft was launched at the 2008 Farnborough Air Show, promising to push the boundaries of efficiency, passenger comfort, and innovation in aviation, promising to redefine the future of air travel. With the passion and dedication of its teams, the aircraft pursued its evolution journey and was propelled 12,500 feet higher nearly 10 years ago, as its first flight test aircraft took to the sky for the very first time, completing its historic inaugural flight. The aircraft took off to new heights and reached new altitudes 5 years ago when it joined the Airbus family in July 2018, marking a new beginning for the A220, one that would shape a bright future for this latest generation bird. Turning back the clock to July 2018, we can see how the A220 has spread its wings across the globe in a sky without borders. During the past 5 years, this game-changing aircraft has more than doubled its order book, multiplied by 5 its number of operators, gaining new ones on 4 continents, and today it connects loved ones on over 375 destinations across the globe. The A220's significant growth since 2018 was made possible as the program's industrial means were substantially strengthened and optimized, with the addition of a final assembly line in Mobile, USA, and a sub-assembly line in Mirabel, Canada. These investments have allowed the A220's production rate to more than double over the past 5 years, confirming that the aircraft is on the right track to reach its maximum production capacity of 14 aircraft per month by the middle of the decade. While the A220's flight path was filled with successes, it also faced some turbulent times when the world was hit by COVID-19 in 2020, significantly impacting global air traffic. Through this storm, the A220 showed outstanding resilience as our small and mighty bird weathered through the pandemic with close to 100% of its fleet remaining in flight. Since it joined the Airbus family 5 years ago, the A220 reached new altitudes on every level. This ascension was fueled by the extraordinary vision, passion, and dedication of the teams, the driving force who keeps on pushing the limits to deliver on our ambitions. Always acute to their customers' needs, the A220 teams worked hand in hand to increase the aircraft's performance, passenger capacity, and even brought its corporate vision, the ACJ220, to life. Being part of the Airbus family has certainly propelled the A220, an aircraft that has only just taken off on its evolution journey, already offering the best-in-class performance with 25% less fuel burn and CO2 emissions than previous generation of aircraft, in addition to being certified for up to 50% SAF. The A220 plays an essential role in Airbus's commitment to reach net zero carbon emissions by 2050. The program's teams are working to certify 100% SAF capability for the A220 by 2030, and will keep on further developing this platform to make it even more efficient and suited for their customers' needs. The flight path ahead for the A220 is most definitely a bright one.